Hey, what's up, YouTube? Here I am back, your boy JT. I'm back with another video. No, I know it took long for me to put out another one, but I was busy. But here I'm back again, coming to y'all, bringing y'all something. I'm going to be cooking fully steak cheese for y'all today. I'm going to be using pepper jack and provolone. I'm going to be using some pepper, some green pepper, some mushroom, and some onion. And this is right here, the shredded beef right here is going to be the fully steak. So right now, y'all, I got my pans heat up, and I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to do this here. So right here, this pan right here, I'm going to put my vegetables in. I'm going to sit there and put my vegetables in here, y'all. I want this to fry a little bit. I want to mixture this. And y'all can see how these vegetables look here, y'all. I got some mushroom, green pepper, red pepper, some onion in here. So right now I'm going to let that saute down. I'm going to let this saute down, y'all. So we're going to let this kind of cook and get sauteed down and dilute a little bit. I'm going to take this right here, which is my steak, because I already got already heated up, and we will already put it in here. Yes, a lot has been going on, YouTube. A lot has been going on. So I've been busy, really busy. God is good, and God is doing things in this season. So right now I'm gonna stir this steak up here, and let that get cooking, y'all. And make sure my vegetables right here, they're getting how I want them to get, because I want them to be crispy. I want them a certain way. They're soft down a little bit. Some people like crunchy, vegetables. I don't like that in my fully steak cheese. I like my stuff to be kind of softened. And what I'm going to do, the idea is here, after this become diluted, I'm going to take this and we're going to mix that together, and we're going to work with that. So when I come back, everything is going to be, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. All right. So yeah, YouTube, I already got this rolling. And right now, and I'm seasoning with the garlic pepper and seasoning I have, and I already put some in there, and I season it with some salt, both the vegetables and the meat. So right now, we're going to do this. Now we're going to sit there and transfer that into that. Now I'm going to transfer this with this meat here. And let's move this out here. And you can be a little healthier, because you can have more vegetables than meat. And I'm going to mix this up together, y'all. Look how awesome that looks. And I'm going to let this cook down some more. One thing I'm going to do is just add a little bit of garlic powder. I got enough salt in there already. And also, I've been using this seasoning as well as a garlic pepper with a seasoning grounded as well as a grinder. You don't have to get that, but I've been using this seasoning, and it has been awesome. It has been awesome.
You can find that on his own, y'all.
Yeah, my wife have helped me find this, y'all. So as we got this cooking, we got that going and getting. That looks good, y'all. How I want it. And something to toss them up like that, so you can get that mixture. Yeah, a little bit came out, y'all. That's all right though.
Yeah. They wouldn't have saw that if you were saying.
All right, I'm gonna get my stuff together. I'm gonna get my stuff together. I got my stuff together. All right. I got this frying like I know it. And since I got this the way I want it, I can cut this off. And now I can add this to where I want to add this to. Alright, y'all.
Put the rest of it on there. Why you
just hold on, let me. I gotta fix the side. I need to fix it.
Oh my God.
All right.
I'm being stingy with the meat, y'all.
Yeah, my wife, she had to make sure you get all the meat here.
Bloop. That's all right. It'll come. We'll pick it back up.
I don't get all the meat. Put the meat in there. She gonna cut up, y'all.
This is G-rated.
I'm talking with the food.
This is a G-rated show.
I'm talking with the food.
No, he wasn't.
I was.
No, he wasn't.
I'm a Christian man.
But you married.
All right. I want to hold something to hold it.
Hold it with the plate. There you go. Bam. Teamwork. Let's go with the cheese.
All right, y'all. Now that you see how I got my fully seasoned cheese, got it right here. So what I'm going to do is here, take some pepper jack cheese. I'm going to put it on here.
Now, y'all know he don't like heat, but he using pepper jack cheese.
I'm going to use that today, y'all.
About to burn up your little mouth.
On certain ones, I'm going to put certain things in certain ones. I can put that much. Because I want both cheese on here, provolone and pepper jack.
I think that's good.
Yeah, I need to make sure. Put that on that one. On certain ones, I got that like that for a reason.
Excuse me.
Okay. I might have just put another bread on the end, even though I'm not going to use it.
Just stick it empty. We don't need that to do
But just to hold it, because we didn't need that. Yeah, just to hold it up. All right. So right now, I'm going to put this in the oven, y'all. And when I come back, you're going to see how it's going to look. And we're going to be finished. All right. Hey, everyone. I'm back with my food. I've got it at the oven. This is how it turned out. This is how I want it to look. You see how the cheese melt. I got the pepper jack cheese. I got the provolone in it. And look how beautiful it looks. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some lettuce and put it on top of here. Put me some lettuce on top of here. On each one. And then I'm going to plate this up. My bread is toasted like how I want it. Got that like that. I got that like that. So y'all, YouTube dudes, this is what I do in my house. This is how I do it. And anything you want me to cook, leave a comment down below. So I would love for you to hit that notification bell. And I'm going to sign off saying peace and I love you. See you next time.